right.
Keep in mind the police station is right here, so they have heard. They have heard, right?
What's up guys, John Stacks here. If you watched my last video, we took that trip to Copart and looked at 3 cars. Not gonna lie, this paint looks really nice in person.
Wheels, I like them.
It looked bone stock on the website. These factory BBS wheels. And it is the Hawkeye, my favorite model. This is a 06.
Bounce off the top a little bit. I hear the pop there.
Well, this is the one I ended up picking up. What do you guys think? Let's take a closer look around it. So from this angle, everything looks absolutely perfect, but there is a small dent here. We're gonna do some paintless dent repair on this in a future video. And the bumper's popping out a little bit. That's not concerning. Moving on, the side skirts are pulled off. I'm not sure if the previous owner stole them or the insurance company removed them, but they are missing. And let's take a look inside. So that door is completely destroyed and the window is smashed, but everything else is clean. The headliner is in perfect condition. And the best part and the main reason I purchased this car is the 47,000 miles on the odometer. So it's practically new. Moving on to the back, this wheel is in perfect condition. Back is in decent shape. There's like small minor dents and scratches back here. But the main issue in the back is the exhaust is completely cut off. So as you can see, somebody cut the muffler off. I'm not sure why, but it's gone. And we're gonna start this thing up so you guys can hear it. Now this is where all of the damage occurred. As you can see, the rear quarter panel, door, and the fender's missing. Luckily, there's no damage under the fender. The apron is in perfect condition. Bumper and headlight are in perfect condition, and even the hood. So this is awesome. And we already picked up a fender, so it's gonna be installed today. So like I said, we already have the fender today. This one's already painted and in perfect condition. We're gonna put the door panel on, and the door's right here. Perfect condition as well. There is one tiny dent. Now this door is completely destroyed beyond repair. Luckily the hinges are good and there was no damage to the unibody. So we're gonna have this thing replaced today too. Let's take a look at the inside from here. So this is the door. We're gonna throw it out. But this was my main concern and it looks good. The door latch is fine. It's just this outer skin that's damaged. And over here, the rocker is damaged as well. So that's gonna need to be pulled out. So that's it for the walk around. We're gonna get right to work. We want this thing done as soon as possible. We're gonna get the fender installed and the door today. And then we're gonna take it for a quick test drive so you guys can hear the exhaust and see how it runs. So this is gonna be super easy. Just 2 or 4 13mm bolts and the door comes right out. So right now we're gonna get straight to work. We're gonna throw the fender on and replace this door. Take a quick spin so you guys can hear the exhaust, and we just want to see how it drives with the door off. All right, let's take a quick spin down the street.
Make sure you buckle up. This is the one time I would make sure I buckle up. Why is there airbag light on? Oh yeah, there's no door. There's sensors, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, there's...
Yep. Did you see his head nod? Okay, do it. You turn. Right here. Wait till they see that the door's missing.
Wait till they see the other side.
It's so much safer driving this way. The visibility is unreal. All right, give it some gas. One more U-turn.
Yeah, definitely.
Were they happier, man? I couldn't tell.
Happy. They were saying give it more gas.
Okay.
Keep in mind the police station is right here, so they have heard, right?
All right, keep going. Good.
Check this out.
You're good. Fender done, the door done, and I forgot to say the price. I bought it for $5,300. That was the winning bid. Keep in mind, it's a clean title with 47,000 miles. So $5,300 was the winning bid. After fees, it was like $5,993. So it's round to $6,000. Then I paid $140 to get it shipped. I paid $120 for this fender, which is perfect, same color. And the door was $250. The mirror I already had at my house. It's from a Jetta, so it doesn't fit. I'll be ordering Golf one. The only thing left is to pull out this rear quarter panel and paint it, and then some hardware up front. Fix these wheels, which are curved and dented, the two front ones, and then like miscellaneous plastic pieces like the fender liner. But other than that, this car is pretty solid and looks complete for the most part. For the price, good deal, bad deal. I know it was kind of expensive, but the miles are low and it is a clean title. All right, let's get this thing out of here. On my way to the paint shop, I just pulled over and wanted to show you guys really quick what I ended up doing with the car and what's left. I did get a mirror finally, so that's on. And right now, the only thing that's left is paint. As you can see, the dent was pushed out. The entire interior was taken apart. It's partially back together. We pushed out the dent, and I got this trim piece from a parts car. I ended up going with this Chromax brand paint. One pint ended up costing me $120, but I don't want cheap paint, so I'm bringing this to the painter. So here it is, guys. The car is finally back from paint and it came out perfect. I'm super happy with this. They took the little dent out that was over here, blended everything perfectly, painted that little molding piece so it would match, and it's looking really good. Look at this perfect blend. Super shiny, new. And then inside, the rocker panel was painted as well, and they used body filler, and it looks absolutely perfect. I also assembled the interior so the car wouldn't rattle while I'm driving it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This car's like 99% done. I'll just have to use double-sided tape to put this molding piece on. I'll have to put the side skirts on both sides. The only major component I need is the exhaust, and this thing's done. So this is probably gonna be the end of the R32 video. I'll just give you guys a quick walk around of the car, show you what was done, show you what's left, and do a price breakdown. And then I'll give you a sneak peek of my next two builds. One of them is super exciting, so I can't wait to show you guys. So with this thing, I would say it's over 90% done. Just up front, I have to fix these scratches. Whether it was from a loader from the auction or a speed bump, it's still scratched. Need to get that addressed. Over on the side, the fender is still dented. We did not do the paintless dent repair just yet, but we are working on that. And the bumper has to be properly bolted in. The gaps are pretty bad, so that's a priority for me. The wheel, I have been driving on it like this. I don't really feel it, but I definitely want this straightened because it can't be safe to drive like that for a long time. On the side, everything is good, but the side skirts are still missing. I did buy them. I paid $200 for both of them. And one of them was actually blended on the other side when the painter painted it. So it's gonna match perfectly. Inside, nothing new. It had no damage on the inside. I did put over 900 miles on this thing already. Had a lot of fun. Picked up the door for my S5. With this trunk, it has a lot of room. Towards the back, the bumper has minor dents and scratches, which you can't even see unless you're trying to find them. So I probably won't be fixing those, maybe just buffing them and when I polish or wax the car. Underneath, the exhaust is still missing. I can't find one anywhere. I'm assuming that's gonna cost around $100. If you guys are selling one or know anybody that's selling one, please comment down below. I'll definitely buy it. Over here on the side, this is the quarter that was repaired and painted. And I bought this piece for $12 from a junkyard. So that's pretty much it for this thing. I am planning on doing some possible mods to it, such as a spark cut tune, and maybe like window tint. Nothing too crazy, it's just gonna be my fun winter car while I'm working on other projects. Now, one of my other projects is this 2010 Honda Accord. I typically don't buy boring cars like this, but this one was an excellent deal. It's a 2010 with 40,000 miles, and the damage was so minor, it took me less than an hour to fix it. So I can't wait to show you guys this car. Although the car's not exciting, the damage was so minor and the mileage was so low, it made this car a must get. Now, the most exciting car by far is this 2017 Audi S5 that I bought from the auction. As you can see, it was hit on the side, very minor damage. Look at this, like the mirror even survived this hit. All I need is a fender and a door. And I'll be showing you guys what else it needs in a future video. So if you want to see it, definitely consider subscribing. But this is in fact an Audi S5, 333 horsepower, supercharged V6. And the best part is it's manual. Look at that. Very rare to find one of these in manual. Black optics package. It has 20-inch wheels and it's a 2017 with 17,000 miles. Can't wait to show you guys this thing. One of my favorite cars. So I don't know which one I'm gonna upload next, either the Accord or the S5, but definitely subscribe if you wanna see either of those. And that's gonna be it for the R32. Let me know what else you wanna see me do to it. Exhaust, spark cut tune, window tint. I do like the wheels. I don't really want to lower it because I am going to use it in the winter. That's why I got it, all-wheel drive. And what do you guys think? Was this the better buy over the STI you saw last video? Let me know. I know this thing was kind of expensive, but it is a clean title and 47,000 miles, all-wheel drive, exactly what I was looking for in a winter car. And it's very practical. Like I said, I brought this S5 door over because it is a hatchback. It easily fit. It would not fit in a sedan like this Honda Accord. So that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know what else you guys wanna see. If you like these kind of videos, definitely consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.